All right, today we're gonna bring some floating shelves. These are 3 floating shelves that you get. You get 3 of them, including the metal pieces that are included in the shelves itself. You get the actual wall mounts, all right? So these are actually, if you guys can see, these are for any kind of fixtures that you have. If you have any drywall, including the screws, instructions how to install it and where to install it and what you need. So it's concrete, drywall, and wood. All right, so they have to be on the actual stud if you're going to set them up to hold some of the weight. And we're going to set some up and see how it works. So on the bottom, you still have to screw them in to lock them in place, or they're going to fall off. So just make sure, be aware that you lock them in here. Right, here's the floating shelves, if you guys can see. So you can have this in your entrance. You can set up your keys there, your cups, whatever you want, maybe some portraits. Very simple to install, nothing fancy. All you need to make sure that you get the right wood studs and the right backing for it. So very simple, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.